So the first step of the project, personalized greetings project, is to put a project into a GitHub. Okay. So if you have your Cloud9, and if anybody wants to drive, I can guide you and then you can drive. Who is confident enough to want to lead us? Alphonse, can you do it? You'll have to share your screen and then do it. I'll guide you and then you do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, share your screen then. Right, guys. So follow along with this, whatever I ask Alphonse to do. I'll share the document because we're not going to finish. There's more to this project than just the GitHub part. The GitHub part is the beginning. Obviously, we've already done GitHub, so Git and GitHub, so it should be easy. Alphonse, if you share your screen. Alphonse, you there? Yeah, okay. Has anybody, just a quick question, anybody been charged by AWS any money since we started? It's been 4 weeks now. Have anybody had to pay anything?
Yeah, I was.
What did you pay?
I was charged for different thing. I think it was $1 and something. They was
Okay.
charging me something like the VPC thing back. Yeah.
Oh, okay. You were doing things different things that you were working on
Yeah,
AWS.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
But it's still $1, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a 1.4 only.
Yeah. As I said, maximum you should be paying doing this project is $10 a month. But since we started, as I said, we are not being charged anything yet. So you need to keep an eye on it. I will find time and show you how to check your billing and also set up alerts for when the billing wants to go further or over the $10. Okay, that's not it, here today. So open your Cloud9, Alphonse. Guys, can you please follow along this project? I will share the project description in the chat with the document that I have created here. But in a nutshell, we are deploying a software to AWS cloud. Okay. Alphonse, can you you're not, I can't see your Cloud9 open. Is Alphonse with us?
Can lead.
Okay. Paul, can you drive then?
Yep.
Share your screen. Alphonse seems to be having problems. Alphonse is back. Okay. Alphonse is back. Cool. All right. So the first thing is I'm going to share the project name. Okay. You will create a project in this folder or in this environment at this location called this. Okay. It's in the chat. It will be, I'm putting this in the chat. So everybody, please do the same. It will be your first name underscore your last name underscore personalized underscore greetings. Okay. This is the project. First name underscore last name. So if it's Paul, it's going to be Paul. Yeah. Underscore personalized greetings. It's in the chat. So this is the project name. right? MKDII. MKDII.
Yeah, I see. I see.
Right. Paul, I am not going to
Yes.
tell you what to do going forward. I'm not going to
Yeah.
tell you how to do it. I'm going to only tell you what to do. Okay. So
Yeah.
change into that new project folder and initialize it for Git. Happy days. All right. You can create a new branch. And call it whatever you want to call it. This one will be you're adding new files. Adding new files. You can call it adding new files. Okay. No, this is not how you create a new branch. So it's git checkout -b. Yeah. And then enter. Okay. So you are now in your new branch. Okay. I'm going to copy the text. So you're going to create two files. One of the file will be called indexed.html. I'll put the name in the chat. And the other one will be called, 1 minute, hold on, let me find my stuff. Okay, so you're going to create two files. You're going to create three files, actually, three files. The name of the files will be first one in the chat. Okay, second one in the chat. The content of the file is beyond this scope. Okay, don't worry about what is in the file. Just know that it's going to do is the application. Yeah, and the next one will be called that.
Sorry, but is this file going to be in the branch itself or in the directory of
This is a very good question. The branch and the directory are the same. The directory is the project. Okay, the directory is the project, but a branch is a Git copy of the folder of the project. Okay, so you are using the same project, which is the folder, but you are using a copy of it, Git, and that's Git. Okay. When you finish, let me know. Who has got to this stage? Who's not at this stage, can you raise your hand if you have a problem? Or can you raise your hand if you have got to this stage, please? Nobody's got here. Okay, Paul. Alphonse, why are you not here yet? Abdullah.
I guess those are the internet issues. My Cloud9 is hanged and I have to start again.
Abdullah, John Luke. Anthony, I see you. You're not doing this. Eddie, you are not doing
I'm
this.
creating a last file on my side.
All right. In the chat, I have added the content of the personalized greetings.conf file. So basically, your developer decided to give you the files. Shouldn't be this way, but the developer should have actually put it in a GitHub. But let's say they gave it to you in a file, you need to do it. Paul, copy and paste with Vim will cause you problems. So if
Okay.
I was you, I'll just use text editor.
Okay, we do that.
Yeah. The content of index.html has also been added. And then the last one, the JavaScript, has also been added. Have you finished?
I'm just going for the JavaScript one.
When if I created those files and they went out of my created Jean-Luc personalized directory, is that going to bring any effect, or I can keep moving with adding the files?
You need to, the files needs to be in that folder.
Okay.
Alphonse, is your problem resolved? Has your problem resolved?
Not really, but I'm still following with what Paul is doing.
So what do you mean? You have an internet problem?
I guess so. It's like I open clouds, keep on loading, like it's connecting, but it's not opening.
You're talking about Cloud9?
Yep.
Well, share your screen is probably the way it's configured.
Sure. Right now.
Abdullah, how far are you?
Now at what's the name? Index HTML.
Alphonse, can you select this and delete it? Just delete this Cloud9. Delete it. Click
Right.
and just delete it.
Yeah, actually, I was having the same issue with him, and I deleted the environment I created again.
Yeah, that's the good thing about Cloud9. You can have as many as you want. Of course, you don't keep your data in there. If you keep your work in there, then deleting and stuff will cause you these problems. But yeah, and then create a new one. Create an environment.
All right.
No, you're already here. The yellow bar that says create environment is there.
Yeah, sure.
Any new name, Alphonse, just leave it Alphonse. It's okay.
Yeah. Everything is good.
T2 micro, select Ubuntu. Yeah. 30 minutes is okay, and just create. Have you been playing with your networking in AWS or something?
Yeah, I did something when we were trying to do some stuff with SSH in other classes, and maybe that's what might have messed up.
Oh, so you've probably made changes to the security groups, the default security groups and stuff.
Yeah. You're right. That's where I've been.
Cloud9 will not work properly if you change the defaults.
Oh my goodness.
And that's why I told you how to create an AWS account. Okay. So for project A, create an AWS account with it. For project B, create an AWS account with it. Costs nothing. Okay. Instead of using the same for two projects, it will cause you these problems. Now open it and let's see, because if it doesn't work, I really don't want to go and fix this issue. But if it doesn't work, then the best option is to have another AWS account. I don't want to spend time.
It was that issue because I think I was with Alphonse and we both have same issue. So I think it was that.
Yeah. It will say connecting for a long time. It will never connect if you've made networking changes to the networks.
Yeah. I guess that's.
Oh, it's here now. You're here.
It's coming. Yeah.
It worked.
All right. Let me just run into that.
Yeah, hurry up. Get to that level quick, and let's go. Right.
All right.
Abdullah, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Have you finished creating these 3 files?
I'm copying and pasting the last file. The JS, the script. Yes.
Okay.
Should
Alphonse, can you share
should
your
I?
screen while you do it?
Yeah.
John Luke, I'm hoping that you are okay. You're getting there.
Yeah, I'm there.
Alphonse, can you share your screen?
Yeah, I did. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes. So I'm expecting you to do this quick, because we don't want to spend time here. This is something we've already done before. And I want this stage to go as fast as possible so that we can go to other steps where we are actually going to create an AWS EC2 and deploy the application on their EC2. Okay.
You say everything is on these meetings.
Sorry, what did you say?
The file and everything.
Yes, it's in the chat. Yeah. So the name of the folder you're going to create is in the chat, which is your first name underscore your second name underscore personalized greetings.
Right. Yeah.
And then you create 3 files. One of them is for Nginx. The other one is HTML, and the other one is JavaScript. Yeah. Initialize this as a Git. No, you need to be in it. Don't any. Oh, come on.
Oh, you say initialize this.
Okay.
All right. Let me just.
Okay. Remove that. Remove that Git folder. Yes.
I don't.
Sudo rm. Just write sudo rm.
Okay.
Rm -r. I don't think you need -r actually. Just remove the -r. Sudo rm dot git. That's it. Enter. It's okay. You need
RM
-r.
cannot.
You need -r. You need -r.
We need to
Yeah.
recursively doing that. Okay.
Yeah.
I need first to be to
yes.
Alphonse, right?
Yeah. And then initialize it.
Then all right.
Yeah. Now create
Then
a new branch. A new branch. The branch name will be adding the first files. Adding first files. Git checkout -b. Adding first files. Enter.
First file.
Files.
Misspelled checkout. Checkout is not well written.
Yeah, you need to.
Try to launch.
You can call it adding initial files, not first. Initial files. Checkout is still not. Yeah.
Check out, right?
Yeah. -b. Adding initial files.
Adding underscore initial files.
Enter, and then create 3 files. Quick touch. You can actually touch all 3 files at the same time. Touch the file name.
What will be the name?
Index.html.
Okay.
Space. Personalized under check the chat. The names are all in the chat.
Yep.
The Nginx config one and the JavaScript one. And then the JavaScript one, which is script.js. Alphonse just started. So while we're doing it with Alphonse, I'm expecting other people to be there too.
We're there.
Okay, so go and open it in the text editor. Go and open the files here. Go to the,
All right.
Open it, and the content of the files are all in the chat as well. Copy and paste. Save these files, and let's move forward quick.
What's not happening? HTML. I'm not able to copy this. So it has to be even the title. Bernard.
Fonts, what's the question?
I was asking if I have to include also the other part of the title.
No, the content of the file.
Have you, if you go to the chat,
Yeah, I am on the chat.
and in the chat, I've got three files there. Can you copy the content and paste it here, index.html? Do you see the chat in the chat?
Yep. Working with one screen. Yeah, it's here.
You can go to the top. Sometimes it brings characters that we don't want. Okay, this is okay. And save it, close it, open the next one, paste, quick. 1 hour, we haven't even finished Git.
Today, guys, I lag you behind. Personalize. JavaScript. Okay, done.
Okay, so you got all your files. All right. So what do you have to do so that this project will be in GitHub?
I will need to push it there then.
No.
Just committing the changes and push
So
later.
here, yeah, so here you need to obviously commit the changes here.
Commit.
You go first with GitHub maybe.
Git add dot. Git commit. What should we give as a name?
You whatever, you can give it the same name, adding initial files. So normally, if you go to a job, they will only tell you that these are these three files. Can you create a Git repository in GitHub with these three files for me, and give you the naming convention and everything you need to do? That is it. The rest is up to you. Okay. What to do to achieve that is up to you. Someone else has gone and created this application, and these are the files that are needed for the application. I want it in a project in GitHub. That's it. And this should take you 10, 30 minutes maximum to have the project in GitHub. Okay. Now you go to GitHub, log in into your GitHub. Now you have the project here. Copy the name of the folder. copy the name of the folder. It has to be exactly the same.
You mean this adding files?
Yeah, no, Alphonse Gaju personalized greetings. The name of the
All
folder.
right. All right. And I have to go to GitHub. I'm there. Are you able to see my screen? Or I should stop and sharing because I'm sharing with the tabs.
Okay, no, I can't
see.
see the GitHub. Guys, I'm expecting everybody to be here. Finished with the local Git initialization. We shouldn't have done that. We could have just copied it straight to GitHub and do everything from GitHub. But that's not the purpose. I want you to learn these things, and that's why I'm doing it so hard. Okay, so now you are here. Go to your account, your profile. Go to your profile. Don't go to your repositories. Just go to your profile. Aha.
All right.
There you are here, and this is
Okay.
you. Yeah. And here you are going to create a new repository. So please close the status there.
All right.
Yeah, and then click new. Voila. Put the name there. It's going to be public.
Right.
Leave it public. Don't add any readme or any yeah, leave everything as none and create.
Yeah, created.
Okay, so you see the information there. You have your token ready and everything, yeah?
Token. This is this one.
So you need to
I
copy
don't-
this URL. First
This
of all,
one.
you need to configure your GitHub. You need to configure
Okay.
your GitHub in the Cloud9 with your email and your name and everything.
Wait. Would you come again, Bernard?
Go to your Cloud9, copy this, just copy this URL. We don't want to come back here again. There's a copy button there. Just if you click it, it will copy it for you quickly. And then paste it somewhere in that we so that we don't come here. But go to Cloud9, share Cloud9 screen. Why don't you just share the screen that you're on instead of sharing the tabs?
Having issues with working with different Windows right now, but I think it's
that's the word, Windows. Right, I'm expecting everybody to be here. Everybody's gone in there and done this. Yeah, you've gone in there, you've created your project, you've initialized it, you've added the files, you've gone to GitHub in your own account, you've created your this repository. I'm expecting everybody to be there. If you're not there, raise your hand and we will help you. Okay, so just paste it in a new file. Just create a new file.
all right.
Yeah, new file, and just put it here and leave it there. Don't even save it. Okay. Now here you need to do your git config. Okay, git config, copy and paste and do your git config quickly. Your name and your email. Hurry up.
Hey. So you want to configure the name and author and the password and everything.
The commands were there. The commands were there. It's just copy and paste.
Oh,
there.
the one
It's telling
from.
It's telling you there. I can see it at the top. Git config. Copy that and then change your name.
I was asking if this is exactly what we're going to do. Sorry.
Yeah. And then just remove your name and put your name. If you haven't done this, obviously, if you're using a new Cloud9 environment, you have to do this. Why have you changed your okay?
It's all right.
And then,
then
your email address. That's okay.
As long as we move on, it's good.
Guys, we've done this all before. So this should be, at the moment, these should be second nature to. This is the fourth time we're doing something like this, I think.
Fourth.
So
Put your email.
Yeah, it's there.
Okay, enter. That's it. So it should be done now. Now you need to run git remote add origin. Git remote add origin.
Will I not need
Hurry up. You will not need anything. Just
all right.
Yeah.
Git master origin is there.
and then put the URL that we copied. You will need a token, of course. You will need a token.
That's where I was going. I needed.
If
to
you don't have
create-
any token, if you have already created a token, that's okay. But
Yeah.
if you don't have any token that you can copy now and add, you need a token.
I don't need a token right now.
Now you don't need a token right now, but git remote -v, and let's see.
Git remote -v.
See, everything is cool. We've added it and stuff. Now you're going to push. What can you do? Git branch. Okay.
Yep.
-a. Git branch -a.
Why?
Okay. Go to GitHub. Share your screen again. Go to GitHub. There's something that we have to do. The new project that you created, the branch is called main. Okay, it's called main. And I'm going to change it to master. Okay.
I'm there.
Go to settings. Click settings button here. Yeah.
All right.
Go to go down, scroll down, let me see.
Yeah, this is it.
Okay, go up again.
I'm not going faster. I'm again at the top.
All right, that's okay. Just create a branch, a new branch. Go check out into master. Go to GitHub.
All right. On my account, right?
No, go to Cloud9. Sorry, we're going to use the
Cloud9.
main. Yeah, I don't want to spend too much time doing this thing. So go to Cloud9.
Okay. Jeez. Then I'm going to change.
And then do git
all right.
Git checkout master. Git checkout main. Git checkout main, and let me see. Okay. Create a branch called main.
All right.
Good.
All right.
So
I'm in main.
now do git branches. Git branch. Should be 3 branches.
-a.
Yeah, you can add -a. Okay, right. Now, what we're going to do then is we are going to push the code to, and this is where you will need. So, guys, everybody's got here. You have added your main branch as well. Yeah. Because GitHub that we created, it's got one branch called main, and I don't want any conflict. So I decided to create this main branch here. Has everybody got to this stage?
Yes, I did.
Paul, you're there. Alphonse, you're there. Abdullah, John Luke, Chris, who joined 20 minutes after. Are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Abdullah, you're there, yeah? Abdullah, can you tell us if you are at this stage or not? We don't want to go further, leaving anybody hanging. Abdullah, are you here? Abdullah, are you with us or you are sleeping and you are just joining the call? Abdullah, say something. Abdullah, you're on mute. Okay, Abdullah is not with us.
Sorry, I went to the washroom. I just.
Are you at this stage?
No, I'm now about to push the
Push what?
The project.
Which project? Can you share your screen? Let's see where you are.
Okay.
Today I have a hard stop at 9. Hard stop. Wherever we are, I will stop. Is this Abdullah?
Yes.
Did you create the main branch?
No.
Okay. Git checkout -b. Main. Okay. Now we're going to push. You need your token. Okay. You have your token?
Yes, I have my token.
All right. So we are going to git push origin main. Just copy your token. Have you copied the repository as well? The link from GitHub? Have you done the add remote origin?
No. I've not done it.
Right, go to Cloud9.
Just this.
The page is there. I can see it at the top. You need to just select the page.
Oh.
There. Or the other one, the middle one.
This is just I'm trying to the what's the name there?
The middle one, Abdullah one.
Yes, mommy.
The
I
middle
can see it,
tab.
but
yeah.
The what's the name? The can't stop
just
sharing.
Click it.
Let me just stop sharing, you know. Okay.
I was hoping that we pass this GitHub stage in like 30 minutes and then deploy the application. So we're gonna have to come back tomorrow. What's left? What we've got to do left is more than this, and this GitHub part is taking us this long. Alphonse, you can share your screen again. Let's drive with you, or whoever is sharing this. Alphonse, go on. Let's drive with you, quick. Alphonse, are you there? You're mute.
I've shared.
All right. Okay. So git push origin main. And of course, it's going to ask for username and password, which is the token.
one was I found it, right? Let me confirm. Yeah.
If you didn't do the git remote add origin with the URL, this git push will not work. If you didn't do that step, this will not work.
Yeah, this seems to have worked.
Okay, so go to GitHub and go and find the files there.
All right. Share.
Paul, did you get there?
Yes, I did.
John Luke, are you there?
I'm trying to push getting a new token.
So this is it. You have literally taken the project that the developer has given you and you've created a GitHub project with it. And this is it. Okay. So from here, the project is available on GitHub. All you need to do is to make sure that you can deploy this project on an AWS EC2 instance. Who hasn't been able to get here? Who's not here? Joshua, where's mommy?
I'm not yet.
You need to go now. You need to be there in 4 minutes.
Yeah, we are going now. Where am I going? Turn it off. Whereabouts
You
am I
should
going?
be there by now, Sharon.
Okay.
I don't know. You're now going to go and find a place to park. There's a lot of people there.
Yeah, but, and I'm looking for Kieran.
Yes.
Joshua, come on, turn that off.
Okay. This is my favorite.
No, silly. Put in the TV now.
Paul, share your screen and show me this. I'm coming to everybody. Share your screen, Paul, and show me this page. That has your name, Paul Haguma, personalized, and you've got index.html, personalized greeting.conf, and script.js.
There, Bennett. I've shared.
Good, I've seen it.
Yeah.
John Luke, share your screen and show me this. If you're not here, we'll help you. I don't want to go any further unless everybody is on the same page. John Luke, share your screen.
Yeah.
Those who joined late, you don't know what we're doing. All you're doing is following these steps. Doesn't make sense to you. What exactly are they trying to achieve? Because you joined late. And I'm not going to go back and explain what we are doing. You'll have to watch the video.
Can you see my screen?
Yes. So you are in the main branch. Can you list the folder, the content of the folder you're in Cloud9? Okay. Can you do git status?
Hey, look what you've done to the front of the house now.
Okay. Can you do git remote -v?
What is that? Why is it here? Outside. Now I have to tidy the house. That's not helpful, is it?
Okay. Have you done the git push origin main?
Let's put them on when you get outside. You step outside.
I did that.
Okay. So now go to GitHub. If you did that, what did it give you any error?
It didn't give me
Authentication
any,
failed. It says authentication failed. Do you
Yeah, I
have
was trying to get a new token here.
Okay. While you faff about with tokens, I'll go to the next person.
All right.
And Abdullah, can you share your
Yes.
screen?
Enrique. Yeah, they use a
Okay. Nothing to comment. Do git remote minus v. I'm expecting everybody knows what this means. Okay. Now, your origin has not been added, Abdullah. So go to GitHub. Did you copy the information I told you to copy? You put it in a file. No, you did. I think you might have copied it. You go to Cloud9 and let's see.
Okay.
Mac.
I'm struck
the middle one. The middle one.
I know I can see the middle one, but the control bar for the this is covering it. For the Teams viewer, it's covering it, so I can't access it. Yeah.
You're there. So
yeah,
there's a file that you created untitled. Open that file.
Okay, the first one.
The link is there. So you need to run that command, git remote origin add. No, this is a different project. It's Abdullah to delete. We don't want that project. So did you copy the project URL from GitHub? When you created the project in GitHub, did you copy the URL?
Let me have to show you.
Okay. Where it says code, click that and copy that. Yeah. So this is the one you're going to add.
Okay.
Git remote add origin. Git remote add origin. I'm not going to explain what we are doing, why we are doing it, because you should know. Just copy paste the link and enter. Now do git minus v and let me see. Git remote minus v. I don't know why it says doesn't give you the URL link. It just gives you Abdullah. Anyway, let's see. Do the push and let me see. Origin push. Git push origin main. Your branch is main, isn't it? Yet?
Yeah.
Main. Enter. Yeah. So what's going on? What have you done wrong?
Is it a settings to it? Or I should just create a new one?
No. Let's fix it. Okay, let's do git remote set URL origin. Set URL is set dash URL origin and then paste the URL. Do git remote minus v and let me see. Voila. This is how it should look like. Now, talking about research, I didn't know this command, okay? But I know that I can change the URL. So I went to Google and asked, how do I change the URL of a Git repo? You didn't cancel this, you didn't put the username, so it will fail. and then run it again. You just have to go use the up arrow instead of the last command you run is the one you're going to run again. Learn how to use the arrow keys when you're to go through your history and not type again. Yeah. So as I was saying, I went to GitHub and I Google and I said, how do I change remote URL? Get remote URL, and voila, he gave me the command. Point is, you cannot know everything, how to do everything. You just need to know that is it something that can be done. That even that you can go and search. Okay, so it's all about knowing what is going on and using researching ChatGPT, Gemini, and all that to help you find the how to do it. Right, those who have passed that stage, wait. If you've passed that stage, log in into AWS and make sure that page is ready. We're going to go further. We've got another 40 minutes. So the scope of this project has got nothing to do with cloud computing yet. Okay. We are only just brushing on with AWS. We will focus on AWS later. So I don't want you to think too much about what we are doing in AWS, okay? But it will all make sense when I start teaching you AWS itself, as in cloud computing. Abdullah, I was expecting you to continue sharing your screen. You pushed it, it worked. Okay, let's leave you there. Get to that level and go to your AWS. Chris, can you share your screen, please? Are you there?
Oh, I mean,
not Chris
I'm
at all.
not.
Not Chris at all. Chris, you're not the only Chris here. There's
Okay,
another-
good. It's good. How about that, Chris?
I'm talking about Christian. Can you share your screen, Christian?
Yes. So
And can you go to your GitHub and show me the files in GitHub in that project, please?
for that, I'm not there yet.
All right, tomorrow.
Because
we'll come back to
so I want to know if what do you call it? We are just creating the files, yeah? That is the HTML file, the personalized greeting file, and then the script.
and
right?
then you put in the content that we've shared. Anyway, this is a bit too far away. I can't
Upon.
understand. Yeah.
Let me share my
Okay.
screen.
Abdullah,
Yes,
share your
let me share
screen.
my screen.
Wanted to find out what we're doing.
Well, you should have joined earlier.
I'm sharing again. This what?
Right, guys, I'm going to jump on. 40 more minutes left. You're basically, you got given 3 files and they told you that create a Git project and use that to deploy the application on AWS EC2. Okay. So as I said, oh, let me stop recording and start recording.